suite of productivity software, Microsoft 365. It includes household names such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, as well as lesser-known products such as Outlook, OneNote, and OneDrive. For many years, it has been the standard in productivity software, which is still the case today. However, there are also a lot of changes within the Microsoft 365 universe. In the past year, Microsoft has deepened its commitment to a subscription-based pricing model and phased out many of its standalone products. This is because Microsoft 365 is designed to work as an ecosystem rather than an assortment of separate applications. Appropriately combined, Microsoft 365 provides businesses with a comprehensive, all-in-one digital workspace, including communications, cloud storage, backup and syncing, and productivity apps. In this in-depth article, we explore all facets of the suite's flagship platforms and discuss why it might be worth investing in Microsoft 365 for your business. Microsoft Word is perhaps the best known of the Microsoft 365 platforms and is for many people the definitive word processing app. In 2020, Word is still one of the best apps for writing, no matter the genre. It comes with an extensive, and at times overwhelming, set of features, a vast range of templates, and the performance and reliability one should expect in a Microsoft product. In short, if you need to write or edit a text-based document, there is little you won't be able to do on Microsoft Word. Advertisement: the platform comes with best-in-class collaboration and review features, making it ideal for team-based use within organizations, particularly when used alongside OneDrive and the rest of the Microsoft 365 suite. Multiple people can co-author documents, access previous versions of a file, track changes, and provide real-time feedback to collaborators. OneDrive makes it easy to send links to colleagues that allocate the appropriate level of permissions within a Word document. Another strength of Word is its sharing and exporting features. Users can export documents in several file types, including Open Document Text, .odt, Portable Document Format, PDF, and Microsoft Word Format, .docx. Each of these formats is widely supported and means you will very rarely, if ever, have compatibility issues. This separates Word from a competitor such as Apple Pages that suffers endlessly from compatibility woes. Although we simply can't list all of Word's fantastic features, some of our favorites include built-in speech-to-text, automatic translation, and the immersive reader mode. The addition of 3D graphics is another feature that separates Microsoft Word from the rest of its competitors. Although the platform does feature some annotation and drawing capabilities, Word works best for text-based projects. If you want to express your creative side, you'll want to check out Microsoft OneNote. Microsoft Excel. The name alone fills many people with excitement and others with dread. However, we don't think anyone should be intimidated by Excel. It is easier to use than you might think and more powerful than you ever could have imagined. In only a few hours of training, you will be confident enough to create and leverage advanced spreadsheets on the platform. With Microsoft Excel, you can work with over 17 billion cells in a single spreadsheet. This compares to only 5 million with Google Sheet. Such raw computing power means that even large organizations with extensive databases can rely on Excel to get the hard work done. Another strength of Excel is its extensive list of functions, now numbering over 450. These enable users to manipulate and visualize data in innovative ways to provide rich insight into their data. Experienced users can also design and implement their own macro functions using VBA code. As with all Microsoft 365 apps, compatibility is not an issue. Apps are available on almost all operating systems, and users can export their spreadsheets in 3 formats: Microsoft .xlsx, Open Document Spreadsheets, .ods, and Portable Document Format, .pdf. It is also possible to open Excel documents on other platforms such as Google Drive. For more than 2 decades, PowerPoint has helped everyone design compelling and appealing presentations, from elementary school children to Fortune 500 executives. We still think it is the best platform for creating presentations, and we'll tell you why. PowerPoint provides several tools to inspire inspiration. The most obvious is Microsoft's extensive range of templates, which are free for Microsoft 365 subscribers. Employees can also use the presentation coaching tool, which will provide advice and feedback on your pace and style of presenting. Another powerful feature, also available in Microsoft Word, is the ability to insert and manipulate 3D images. 3D files can be rotated, inverted, or tilted to maximize their utility in a presentation. This separates PowerPoint from most of its competitors. Like with other Microsoft 365 apps, users can collaborate and provide feedback in real time. OneDrive integration also makes it ideal for designing and managing presentations in a business context. Advertisement. However, there is a limitation. Collaboration on PowerPoint is only possible on the web app, not the desktop or mobile versions of the software. This is a fairly significant limitation, and is disappointing considering how well the platform performs in all other categories. OneNote is Microsoft's note-taking app, and it has been designed with both students and professionals in mind. Although it looks great on paper and boasts an impressive range of features, it has struggled to achieve the popularity of other platforms such as Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Nonetheless, OneNote has found a home amongst students and academics. We think it is one of the best note-taking platforms and is under-leveraged in business and organizational contexts. One of OneNote's greatest strengths is that it enables you to organize your notes comprehensively. Top-level parent categories are known as notebooks. Within notebooks, you'll find sections and then individual pages. We've used several note-taking apps and believe OneNote is the best for keeping your thoughts and ideas in order. Cloud storage has exploded in popularity in recent years, and OneDrive is Microsoft's entrant in this fiercely competitive market. It is among the best cloud storage platforms for both consumers and businesses. Not only is the platform a secure place to store your essential data and documents, but its interfaces are straightforward and easy to use. Thumbnails are displayed for a wide range of file formats, while intelligent AI search functionalities make it easy to find what you're looking for. However, what really makes OneDrive stand out is its full integration with all other Microsoft 365 apps. This deep integration makes Microsoft 365 an ecosystem of digital productivity, rather than just a bundle of individual applications. Firstly, OneDrive is secure. All files are encrypted, both in transit and at rest. This alone makes the platform more secure than many competitors and means anyone stealing or intercepting your data will receive nothing but indecipherable text. Teams is the newest addition to the Microsoft family, but arguably the most important. In short, Teams combines audio and video conferencing, think Skype, with workplace communications, think Slack. It is a central destination for coordination and communication, which is integral to business efficiency as we increasingly work remotely. Like OneDrive, Teams is designed to be the glue that brings together all the other apps and features of the Microsoft 365 suite. It leverages cloud technology to help employees work collaboratively in real time across several platforms. The video conferencing features of Microsoft Teams are impressive, enabling employees to organize and conduct one-to-one conversations or company-wide meetings. It is even possible to organize webinars and information sessions with up to 10,000 participants. Within calls, participants enjoy screen sharing and call recording, live captions, background blur technology, and chat functionalities.